Welcome to our video on mobile gaming controllers. Whether you're a casual gamer or a pro, a gaming controller can significantly enhance your mobile gaming experience. There are many types of mobile gaming controllers available. Let's explore the most popular ones that cater to all tastes. When selecting a mobile gaming controller, look for compatibility, battery life, and ergonomic design. These features can greatly influence your gaming enjoyment. Now, let's dive into how to set up your mobile gaming controller with your smartphone. Follow these simple steps to get started. Each game has its unique settings. Tailor your controller preferences to match the genre for an optimal experience. Time for some action. Check out this gameplay demonstration using the mobile gaming controller. Having trouble connecting your controller? Don't worry. Here are some common solutions to help you troubleshoot. Let's review some popular mobile games that are enhanced by using a controller. Trust us, they are worth checking out.